Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to cut out image in Inkscape. We will try to cut out this simple object. So if you want to do it, you need to go to the left panel and select here pen tool. After it, you need to remember about one really important thing. You need to change your mode to create a B-spline path. And now we need to draw our shape, so I will start it. I will not do it very perfectly because I don't want you to lose your time. I will do it just to show you how it is working, and it's working really great. And you can use this method to every single picture that you have. Of course, it must be your picture. Okay, we are so close to finish it, so I will not speed up this video. But to be honest, it may be sometimes so boring to do it. But it is a really great method, yeah? Okay, so let's finish this object. Just few more clicks and we are done. Okay, we finished it. Okay, so now I go to selector tool and I will select both objects here. Then you need to go to object, and here we have some really great settings, but we need to go to clip and select here set clip. And like you see, we have successfully cut out our picture. To be honest, it isn't look perfectly here, but if you will do it really slowly, you get very good results. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to resolve your problem, remember to support my work and like this video and subscribe my channel, and thanks you for watching.